Hi, my name is Stacy Bick, and I work at NTID for the Department of Educational Design Resources. I'm a video producer director, and I'm involved with pre-production, such as coordinating resources and providing training to faculty and staff. For our video production events, I set up and operate various equipment for studio and remote locations. Also, I work with editing software and DVD authoring software. I'm thankful for the opportunity to share with you my experience with subtitling videos using InkScribe. InkScribe provides us with the option of customizing our subtitles, the choice to have a background box or not, applying a color to the background. Also, the choice of the subtitles placement on or outside of the video frame, and font manipulation, such as the size, the type, and color. The subtitle video is a QuickTime movie. A note, for those using Final Cut Pro and DVD Studio Pro, InkScribe offers the option of exporting XML file, which enables you to export only the subtitles and insert them into Final Cut Pro or DVD Studio Pro. Also, if you want to use Final Cut Pro to design the look of the subtitles, the Final Cut Pro subtitle design can be transferred into InkScribe's export setting. InkScribe can also export SRT file, which enables your subtitle file to be uploaded to the internet where your video is housed, such as Google Video. NTD offers the option of captioning and subtitling services to us. Is it best to outsource or to create the subtitles yourself? Consider some factors, such as computer storage space, turnaround time, the cost, the option of customizing the subtitle design and layout. Now let's proceed and get a closer look at InkScribe. The place where the video media will be displayed is here. The place where the controllers are to view the videos in fast or slow motion, etc. is here. The place for transcribing is in the white area here. InkScribe can import a variety of media files such as QuickTime, AVI, WMV, MPEG 1, 2, 4, H.263, H.264. It all works with InkScribe. We'll specify the source type. Media file means video is on the computer. Click, select File, and navigate to where the file is located. Media URL means the video is on the internet. In the media URL window, add the URL address. And offline media means the video is from a deck, such as a VCR. I have the option to change the video's counter time. I would only do that if I needed to match my subtitle time code to another application, like Final Cut Pro. Since my file is on the computer, I'll select Media File. I'll show you the different ways to navigate through the video.
hard, expensive? What do you have to do? Kim?
It's the easiest.
Now, that must be a Latin term for something. Do you happen to know what it is?
You can create a hotkey for the different controller buttons. By using hotkeys for everything, it saves time. It will be easier to be able to keep your eyes on the video and press a hotkey. To set a hotkey for the different controller buttons, go to the Shortcuts window. Let's set the transcription window's settings. My preference is to transcribe the entire video in a doc or text file, and I simply copy and paste it into InkScribe. Then divide the script into 2 lines. The 2 lines represent a pop-up subtitle. A time code is a clock associated with the video. In InkScribe, you see it on the left of the timeline. To program when the 2 lines subtitles appear, navigate through the video to find the starting point and insert the time code. If there's a section in the video that you don't want a subtitle to appear because there's no dialogue, then just add a time code and instead of a word, add a blank space. This means the subtitles do not have to be back to back. It is a repetitive task to insert time code and, if needed, a word to identify who is speaking. Fortunately, you can create your own hotkey. InkScribe gives you 2 options, either to press Insert button, or you can choose any hotkey of your choice from the Snippets window. Proof checking and feedback is easy. The time codes are hyperlinks. To proof check my work, I select a time code and press play to be certain that the time code matches the subtitles I see.
Sole proprietor, makes $50,000, has four.
It goes on his personal income tax.
Now, let's put our collective genius together and, okay, when you're a sole proprietor.
I can also add comments in brackets. Since in the transcription setting window, I indicated that information in brackets would not appear in the final product. If you want to save and transfer the subtitle with the video as a self-contained clip, select File, Save Subtitled QuickTime Movie. Make sure to set your font type and size setting to mirror your transcription. I recommend Arial size 22, center, color yellow, padding 5, and select Save as Self-Contained Movie. The subtitles are a QuickTime text format and are programmed to appear with the video. In QuickTime Pro, you can disable the subtitle, video or audio, making the video become multi-purpose. Also, you can use HTML tags to modify the subtitle's appearance, such as adding italics or multicolors to the fonts. If you want to export just the subtitles to Final Cut Pro, select Final Cut Pro XML. For DVD Studio Pro, select STL. For Google Video, select SRT. With Final Cut Pro, you can design the subtitles in Final Cut Pro first and set that as the design template for InkScribe to use when exporting FCP XML file. Most times, the subtitling is the last step, but if the video is modified, you can easily adjust the time codes. Phew, that sure does save us a lot of time. If you would like to try InkScribe, visit inkscribe.com.